Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about types of dependency injection in ASP.NET Core. This is a continuous video to the previous video, which is a dependency injection ASP.NET Core. Now we will see types of dependency injection in ASP.NET Core. Now dependency injection mainly has three types. One is constructor injection, most used, and property injection, method injection. Constructor injection most recommended. Dependencies are provided through the constructor of a class. Uses required dependencies must have clean and safe, cannot be a null, best for production application, easy unit testing. Why best? Strong dependency guarantee, follows solid principle, widely used in real projects. Now let's dive into the code. I will show you what is constructor injection. So in the previous class, we have learned dependency injection. Look at here. Here we are calling the method from constructor itself. One second, I'm closing all these lines. See you. See, look at here. We have created a private field. This already you know, and we are calling through constructor because the class name and constructor name both are same. Now in that we are calling it iMessage service, and we are storing the values here and we are calling here. This is called a constructor injection. This is mostly used in all the application. 90% of the application used only constructor injection. So this already you know in the previous video. Now we will go with property injection. Property injection, dependency is injected through a public property. Uses optional dependencies when dependency may or may not be required. Rare scenarios, legacy or flexible design. Problems can be null, not safe compared to constructor, or to track dependencies. Now we will see that in example. So previously we have used this one. I'll remove this one. Even I will remove this one as well, because we are not using constructor injection. Now I will use property injection. To inject a property, I'll use public iMessage 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 service. I'll use a name for this one. Property injection. So for property injection, we have to use get and set method. So to use this, we have to use an attribute called from service. So then only we can use that. So this is the reference to that. Reference to email service interface, which is this one. Sorry, this one. So this is called a property. In this property, we are having a name store here. So I'll use this one now. Dot. Look at here. By default, it is showing send message. I'm pressing Ctrl+S. Now, even this one, I'm calling the same method, which is what we have given in the program class. Now we have given service for SMS service. So the output should be SMS sent. Now I stop the program. So again, I run the program to see the output. Build is succeeded. I think, yeah, build is going to be succeeded. Yeah, now look at here, the output. So again, it is calling SMS. SMS is sent. Now see, look at here. SMS is sent. Because why? In program class, we are calling SMS service. That is the reason it is calling SMS. Now look at here, SMS is sent. If I change right now, look at here, I stop the program. Again, I'm going to use email service. Email service. Just one single line, we can change the constructor level. And even so, now look at here, it is calling email sent. Now I press and continue. See, its email sent is calling. So this is called about what we called a property injection. So for this we have to use from service. It is a must attribute we have to use. Now the third one is method injection. Method injection, dependencies is injected directly into a method. Uses dependency needed for only one method. Lightweight and temporary usage. Avoid unnecessary class level dependency. So let's see those in example. Now I'll change this one. So in this method I have that one. So I'll use iMessage service. I'm giving a name. So this is a method injection. So we have to use only method itself, not this one. So I'll remove this one because so even here as well we have to use attribute called from service. From service only we have to call. Now I'll use message service dot. Look at here, again it is going to return send message method. Now I run the program. So I'm saving the project and I run the program. Now in the program.cs class we are calling the service of send message through email service only. Now it is returning it here, it is returning SMS sent, email sent, email sent. Now when I'm going to change that email service to in the program.cs class SMS service. Now I am saving everything, stop the program, clean the project, and again I am running the program. Build is succeeded. Now it is calling send SMS method. Now it is returning SMS sent. Look at here. So friends, this is all about dependency injection types. One is constructor injection, property injection, and method injection. But most of the time, all the applications are used by constructor injection, mostly used. So please like my video, share it with your friends, and add comment in the chat. So I'll put a videos on based on your requirement. Thank you.